Hey guys, it's Kitty again, and today we are back in the mystery location of, oh, it's the kitchen again. I'm not going to show you that stuff has moved. We just now have the cat food and cat stuff because our microwave broke. It apparently blew up while making popcorn while I was at work. It was very exciting. So now we have another microwave that's over there and it's a lot smaller and takes up less room, so now everything has moved. But anyway, you're like, Kitty, why are we in the wonderful location of the mystery kitchen? Well, you know what time it is. It is baking time with a rainbow cake. A rainbow cake! I'm so excited. I like rainbows. I like cake. Rainbow cake? Amazing. I remember how last time there was 85 million paragraphs where I couldn't read because I'm dumb. This one, this is it. This is the instructions. That is nothing. Very exciting. So, we'll yet again, as we always do, go through what we need today. So what we need today is we need 1 egg per cake. Well, cake layer. And since there are going to be 4 of them, we have 4 eggs in there. Very exciting. We're going to need our good old unsalted butter. Yes, we've got unsalted this time, unlike the other time. I think I'm never going to live that down. We need 60 grams of unsalted butter in there. And of course, we need some milk. 20 milliliters of milk to be exact. Milk. And of course, everything else just comes from these little guys. So, yep, that's it. Let's mix this all together and see how badly it goes. So what I'm going to do first, before we do anything else, any of the adding stuff, is it says to make sure that your tin is all greased. Now, I have been recommended to, instead of grease all of it, get this stuff, whatever it's called, grease-proof parchment paper, baking paper, I think it's technically on the thing. Very exciting, the grease-proof paper stuff. And we're going to draw around our bottom bit, and then we're going to cut it out and put it in, and then we're just going to grease the sides of this. And yeah, apparently that's going to go well. Oh, and I was going to say that oh, we need to, preheat our oven, preheating oven time. And then look at this, it's already preheated because my girlfriend is wonderful and already did it for us. We can't forget to do it, and we can't get it to the wrong temperature, so woohoo, work done for us, I guess. Okay, so now that we have got everything all coloured in and cut out and all of that stuff, we're going to use our fancy scales as usual and have to take our eggs out of there because we're going to use this for measuring. Let's put them in the cake case just now. That'll do. Because I'm scared they're going to roll off if I don't do that. So, what does it say to do first? Oh great, wonderful, what's your name? Jane Asher, good for you. She looks like a Karen to me. Let's have a look at her. What do you think she would be called? Leave it in the comments below. It's not focusing, but you get the point. You see her. So first, yep, we have done it. We're going to lightly grease. Already done it. And... Now it is saying that it does need to be a slightly smaller tin than we have, but it's fine. We'll just if it's a really small thin thing, it's fine, it'll be okay. It might fall apart, but let's see how it goes. Oh boy, this might not go well. It'll be fine. Right, we need to empty the sachet of cake mix into the mixing bowl and add 60 grams of melted butter, 20 milliliters of milk, and 1 egg. Okay, so we're gonna take our buttery boy, and it's upside down, buttery boy, and we're gonna cut that off and measure. Now I remember from last time that 60, or it was 40 I think last time we were cutting, I can't remember, but it was a lot less than I thought it would be, so let's get the scales going. Yep, there we go. Let's stick this boy in. Oh, it's feeling... You know what? It's happened again. We've gone 2 grams over, so we're just going to adjust everything to 2 more. Oh boy, okay, that's fine. definitely 60, right? Yeah, 60 grams of melted butter. Fine. So we got our 60. We're going to now dump this into here. Whoop! Okay, now we're going to put this back on. Yep, goes to 0, perfect. What else do we need to measure? Well, it's just an egg and milk, isn't it? We don't need scales at all. We're fine. Turn off. Hey! Put scales over here. Okay, and I'm gonna put the actual stuff in. I think we're going to do the orange. What's that, the actual bottom color? We'll do green first. There we go. We'll do green first. Oh, it's gonna go everywhere. I'm feeling it. Oh no. I might use scissors. Hold on. I'm gonna do the good old cut in the corner trick because then it can't kill me. Oh, okay. It's green. Oh wow, it's green. Get out. Today for our egg mixing we are using Tinkerbell. Very cute mug. I don't like Tinkerbell that much. Like, I mean, she's cool, don't get me wrong. But like, I don't know, it's just a cute cup. It's purple, I think that's why I like it, let's be real. My favourite colour is purple. Okay, we got our fork, we got our egg. Let's... Oh, it's got some feathers on it still. Let's not think about that. Go cracking an egg. Woohoo! No shell, no shell. Okay, let's put that right here. I got kind of eggy though. I got kind of eggy and it's gross. Let's beat our egg. It's looking pretty eggy. You can't see, but it's looking pretty eggy. That'll do. And now, oh, I hate doing measurements for liquid because I never know which one I'm doing. Okay, it's milk time. We're going to pour it, but I need to make some room first. Okay, push the bowl off to the side a little minute so we can try do the milk. Now, as far as I can see, it's not much milk, like, at all. So, let's just pour this guy and hope for the best. I'm going to try hold the jug up so you can actually see. And this is going to be hard. Oh boy. My hand is shaking. Yep, that'll do. It's literally like that much. It's not much, like, at all. Okay, so now we've got to try mix these all together, and I know I've done it. I've gone against my own word. Not only have I got a spoon, it's really bendy. Look how not straight it is. I mean, it's very apt in my house, let's be real. No one's straight in this house. Okay, now it is time to mix it all together. So, I thought I'd bring you back up here just so you can see my face while I try to mix this. And I know I said that I make horrendous mixing faces. Well, we're about to learn how true that is. Oh dear. Definitely should have softened the butter a little bit more. It always says melted. Like, am I supposed to actually be like microwaving this or something? I don't know. Like, probably not. When am I going to learn to get the butter out and let it be soft first? Like, this is why I like the salted stuff better. It's nice, it's soft, I can just spread it, I can just do whatever. Nearly knocked all my milk over. But apparently that makes it salty, even though I can't really tell. It looks really cool though, the green, like the green colour. And hey, if it needs any more green, we've still got green food colouring from the Halloween video, so... Make it super green. I think it's green enough. I think I need to stab it a bit more. I may require assistance on this one again. It was all going great before the unsalted butter came along. It's like the Avatar. The baking videos were going great until the unsalted butter attacked. You guys watch Avatar? I love it. I think it's great. I'm just gonna like put stuff in here and hopefully the other liquidy stuff is gonna help soften the butter. I don't know. So let's put the milk in. So we're gonna put our milk in and see what happens. See our butter lumps? Yeah, that's what we're calling them now. Gonna put milk in. Oh, it's watery, sure. Just shove that in. Oh boy, this looks interesting. Let's try! Well, I mean, it's turning into something. It's doing something with it. Well, it's green and it's gooey, and that's kind of cool. But yeah, our butter is definitely... Maybe the mixer will help. Yeah, I think we're gonna need the mixer for this one. Because, that's not looking good. Okay, loud mixer warning? What? Morning? Ready? Let's go. I'm scared. Well, it mixed. Oh gosh, okay, right. I'm just gonna put this like beside me just now. It's gonna like fall over and... No, stay. I'm gonna try weight it down. Right, and I'm gonna get my spoon and try... Okay, that's better. It literally demolished the butter. It's a little bit lumpy still, but hey, we can try mix. I mean, technically, I guess I could mix it more with the electric guy, but I don't know if that's gonna help. It's just very lumpy. This always happens. It's the butter. That's what I'm gonna blame it on. It's not me, of course. It's the butter. Let's try again. Well, it's still kind of bitty. Ah, we'll deal with it. Oh no, I'm dripping green everywhere. I didn't see that. Oh no. Green dripping everywhere. Oh dear. So, I whisked it some more. It's still a tiny bit lumpy, but also like, I don't think I'm going to get any better. It's kind of bubbly now. I got some air into it, apparently. I'm also excited, like, the other one, the big one that I showed, that big tin, it's apparently too big. So, we're going to use this heart one instead, because that's cute. Okay, now I'm going to pour all this in here. You ready? This is not going to go well. It's going to, like, immediately fall. Okay, it's going. It's going. Ooh, it smells nice. That's a good sign. You know what? A heart one's cuter as well. Like, who wants a round rainbow cake? Heart rainbow cake? Yes, please. Okay. That's it basically all there. Oh, I got some bits on the outside. Let's give it a taste. Ooh. It's nice. Not that I'm supposed to be eating it, but you know, I gotta do this sort of bake onto the side. Can't have that. Now let's wiggle it around. Make sure it's, I see my problem I've created here. Oh dear. Now maybe if we, like, lift it slightly. Oh, that's even worse. Well, you know what? We tried. If it comes out in a weird shape, then... Dear God, did we try? Well, let's put this in the oven and hope for the best. Into the oven we're going. I'll put this down just now. It's not heart-shaped. This is going to be an absolute disaster. In it goes. And shut. Now we get started on the other one, that one's cooking. Okay, so we've put that in the oven now, and we are cooking that for 16 to 18 minutes, which, yeah, we can count. That will get that out then. In the meantime, repeat for all 3 other ones, and we've got icing to do as well. Like I said, it's gonna be a long video. And also, like, it's just covered in green stuff now. Whoops. So, what we're going to do in the meantime is very quickly wash up so we don't use lots and lots of bowls. Okay, it is time to have a look in there, so let's get our oven gloves. Let's have a look. I mean, that's pretty green. Let's see if we can get him with one hand. Easy. Maybe. Oh no, he's starting to burn a little bit. Shut the oven. Well, I mean, he only looks a tiny bit burnt. It's not bad. Unlike one bit, I'm worried that that bit's cooked and that bit's not. Oh dear. This is the bottom layer, right? Maybe the other ones need less time. Well, you know what? Let's go ahead and do the knife check. On this bit, because I'm not like sure it's cooked. Come out clean. Looks like that is all done. Just this part right here got a little bit burnt by the looks of it. So maybe let's go for 16 minutes this time, not 18. So what we need to do now is basically take this guy out, let him cool. I'll put a little tray over here, and then get our orange guy in there. So we're gonna just pour the orange guy in. In he goes. He's looking a little bit more lumpy, but oh well. Where's my spoon? Hey spoon, come back. Ah, there it is. Yep, it's going in. It's going. Okay. Put that aside. Yeah, again, tastes nice. So give it a little sugar around so it fills the whole tray. Seems to be more of this one somehow. Not sure how. But anyway, in the oven it goes. Here's the time, and we're going to try for 16 minutes this time since 18 seemed to be too much. So open, and in it goes. Yep. Let's go. Okay, it's been 16 minutes. We're gonna try open it this time and see how it's looking. It's looking pretty orange. Let's get him out of there and do the test. Oh, he looks nice. A little bit on the top again, but like not too much. Might just be more noticeable as green, to be fair. A little bit with the orange. I think it just means it's cooked, to be fair. Right. Where's our knife gone? There it is. Draw a knife test on this bit at the bottom again, just because it looks at least cooked. Yep, perfect. A never cooked cake. Woohoo! And now we just need to put the red into here. So we're going to take our paper and we're going to put it in here. Same as last time. Get it all in there. And let's pour our red. Ready for it? Ready for it? Oh, bad pun. And the worst part about this is we've still got one more cake, then we've got icing to do. Dear God. Okay. So, it is all in there. Let's give it a little swoosh around as we normally would. And now, it's oven time once again. It's probably going to be 22 by the time I put it in, but it's 21 minutes past just now. We're going to open up. I don't know why I'm using the oven glove, it's not hot. Get our red and put it on in. See you in 16 minutes, red one. Time to get it out of the oven. The last one. Woohoo! I'm going to very quickly push this aside because it's going to go up there. Oh dear. Okay, ready? Let's go. Oh, that's looking red. I probably should have done these in order, but oh well. Oh, it looks nice actually. It looks really good. Close the oven. And let's do the good old knife test. Yeah, that looks good to me. Okay, well, that's that. We need to now get that one, and then this one. You know the drill, then on to the icing. Okay, so we have our last one. There's a little bit of red burnt on here, but honestly, I don't care at this point. So, this side, in here. Last one, and then we just got to do the icing. You know my track record with icing, but let's see how it goes. Stick this down and come on, yellow, last one, let's go. I really should have done these in order, but I didn't. But like, it's fine, it doesn't really matter. Okay, there we go. Let's give it a little swoosh around. Oh dear. Oh, the paper's moving with it. That's going to be a little more on the cake taste than on the thing by the looks of it. Oh well, in the oven it goes. 3:42. It's been like an hour since we started. Let's go. Bye, yellow. See you in a bit. Well, I feel it's been a while since you saw me from this angle. I feel like I've just baked cakes for an hour straight. Dear God, that's a lot of cakes. But we are on to the icing. Yay! I'm deciding if I should try wash the bowl because you can't see it over there, but there's just washing up to do now, and I'm just like, there's a lot. Okay, so for the icing, it's very, very vague and just says put the butter and milk into the bowl along with the icing, and then put more milk in if you need. I'm assuming it's the same measurements. They don't tell me, but I'm going to assume, which, it's okay, it's fine. We got this, we can do icing, easy peasy. I decided to get another mixing bowl because I didn't want to clean the other one. I've cleaned it 3 times today, that's enough. So now we have, excuse the green and orange stuff on them, but this is our big bag of icing. This is big. It's like as big as my head, oh my god. And we also have some little sprinkles to put on. So, I say that we just cut this open and just go to town, see what happens. Let's go. Okay, so we're gonna snip. Oh, it's going. Oh dear. Get out of there. And then just, oh, that's gonna stand back from that. Oh my, I might need a bigger mixing bowl. Oh my god, there's so much. How am I supposed to mix this? That's just a whole bowl full of, oh no. Well, let's do the same as we did before with our butter, and let's hope that it's the same measurements. Because like I say, it doesn't say, it just says put your butter in. So let's try. Okay, I'm gonna put this aside. And we've got our bowl on, using all the butter. My girlfriend's going to be very, very upset at me because I've used most of the butter. Oh my god, 49, so close. Let's do this a little bit more because we were a little bit over last time. Let's try this big chunk. This is probably going to put us over. Oh, I'll cut this in half just to start with. Hold on. Nope, I went over. Can I swap? Oh no, I mixed, oh no. 63 is good enough for me. Right. Okay, butter there. And this should be the last time we need the butter, so I'll put this in the milk back in the fridge, but just now, move it over here, turn our scales off. And I assume, what did I say about the milk? Put the butter into the bowl with the milk, add the icing gradually, beat until light and fluffy, adding a little extra milk as necessary. So I assume that's same measurements of milk as well, so let's try that. That's way too much milk. But you know what? I've had it. Let's just do it. We've all gone crazy. Oh, this is way too much for this bowl. Oh my god. Okay, let's try. So we put the milk in. Didn't do much. It's absorbing it. Oh my gosh. Put our butter in. Oh no. My worst fears are coming true. And I'm getting another spoon. It's a spoon, but it's smaller. Let's try. Oh goodness. Let's get butter. Break it up a little bit. I mean, the butter now has been out long enough that it basically just melts if I touch it, which I think was what it was supposed to be in the first place. So maybe I might actually be able to mix this one by hand. Maybe. Because this is... Oh, there is icing going everywhere already. I'm wearing blue. This isn't good. I was thinking of wearing a black one today, and then I thought, nope, there's icing involved. And just cake in general, and maybe flowers, so we'll wear blue. That's not as bad, but I'm learning that maybe I was wrong. Oh my gosh, this is a nightmare. I don't know what to do with this. Oh no. Distance. Okay, the good news is it's not so much like a froth anymore, and it has gone down significantly. So I'm thinking the best thing to do would maybe be to try... Oh god, look at that. Look at this big gloop. To try the whisk and see how it goes. Yeah, I'm gonna try the whisk. The whisk performed a miracle. Look at that. It looks like icing. I mean, I assume it tastes like icing too, but that's icing. Sorry about the shadows, by the way, because since we've been doing this, the sun went down. Bad thing of filming in winter. But look at that. That's icing. But I'm like really scared now. If I stop mixing that, it's gonna like solidify. Okay, so I'm gonna just mix this a little bit, and oh god, maybe I started this too early. Help. Time to get the cake again. So, oven glove, open the oven. Oh no, he's looking a little bit burnt. I'm sure he's fine. Yeah, the yellow kind of just turned cake color, I guess. I mean, I guess cake's kind of yellow. I'm sure the underside will be fine. But there he is, he's yellow, the last one. Now we get to use the icing to put it all together. Fun time. Okay, so I have got my icing, which is all great. I mean, it's on here and it's in here and it looks really good actually. I'm really impressed with it. We've got our little heart-ish thing. I don't even know. He's got some like orange on him because I was layering them up just to see what it looked like. Just ignore that, it's fine. What we're gonna do is we're waiting for our yellow one to cool still, but what we're gonna do in the meantime is we can start icing between these guys. So we're gonna put all this icing in there. In theory, this is the easy part, but I'm a little bit scared of it. So good luck to me. Okay, so what we are gonna do is, I've got my thing here. You can mostly see it in shot. I've got my icing. And we're now just gonna ice this and put it all together. And I'm gonna get a little spoon to put it on, then a knife to spread it. And we've turned off the oven because we don't need it anymore. So, big old bloop. Here it goes. Whoop. That looks like a good amount. I'll just spoon it with the back of the spoon. Get off. Get off icing. And I'll just leave this on the side here and I'll get my knife and I'm just gonna spread it because it's only supposed to be a sort of like a thin layer in between, so this should be enough. It's just enough to stick it together. Okay, it might need to be a little bit more than this. But hey, we can do like little layers, little coats. It's great. Oh, that's fallen off. Oh, I didn't mean to do that big bit at the corner. Oh, well. There, that is fine. Okay. So I'm now just gonna try scoop this off the rest of the spoon. Back of it. Put this back in the bowl. Hopefully it doesn't fall in. Okay, try get this to the edges. I think we might need one more little bit, but there's loads of icing, so I don't think it's going to be a problem. Although we'll just have to cover this whole cake. So, well, we'll see how it goes. I'd say that looks pretty good. It's pretty covered, you right? Okay. Last thing on the list, sprinkles. So let's do this. I'm just gonna try, well, I was gonna stick it into my head and sprinkle, but like, you know what, it works. Let's just do this. You know what? That actually looks not bad. Wow. I thought in the middle there it was gonna go and, you know, we were gonna ruin it, but like, this looks pretty cool. Look at this. That's a 4-tier cake. Not incredible on the side. You can see, you know, that the stuff's missing. But from the top, that's pretty damn good. And this side looks amazing. This side looks incredible. This side not so much, but still. I'm trying to not get my shadow in this. It's not gonna happen. That is looking real good, honestly. Like, that looks really good. I'm impressed. So, it is done. I think the icing is a little bit thicker and I may have, like, you know, not as much in, like, too much in between. It doesn't look exactly like the picture. But, really, that wasn't expected, was it? I think I'm gonna, obviously I don't know if I showed you, but like, look at that! Look at that! It's heavy. That was amazing. It's taken me like an hour and a half to do this and I never want to bake again in my life. But, oh my gosh, actually, I'm really proud of that. That looks really good. I'm so excited. Okay, well, thank you so much for watching this. It's been a long one, I know, even with me cutting everything down. Like I said, thanks so much for watching this. If you do like what you see, please subscribe. It does mean a lot to me. I will see you next time, probably not from the mystery location of the kitchen with the cat food, but I will see you next time for whatever we're doing next week. Bye!